Good day, good day. It's your boy Betty, it's your man Markel Prines, Mr. RVADelivered.com. No suit, no tie, no college degree, but we still make money from home. And I'm back at it again with another traffic ad bar, affiliate marketing, website, spy tactic, deep dive, whatever we want to call it, right? So in this video right here, I'm actually want to look into a website that I've come across a couple of times and I've never clicked on it just to see what they're about. And I figured this would be a great opportunity to actually do a video on this particular website and landing page. Now, from what I can tell, this is a very popular product or service, whatever it actually provides, because I see a few different people promoting this online. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at the lead capture page here, or lead magnet page, and we're going to press the button. We're going to actually see what's on the other side. Now with this website right here is very short, this lead page, and it gets straight to the point. So let's start from the top. All right, so it says here, welcome to Maximus, the fastest recurring income builder online. Maximus is a complete, ready-to-earn, fully automated system that you can have up and running in less than 20 minutes from now. So, sounds like something that we could do fast, easy, and simple. Setup time is very short. So it's kind of like how you buy a product at a store. Let's say you want a table or a desk, and you want to go to one of those hardware stores and get something that you want to put together, and you see on the box and it says, okay, this is going to take you an hour and a half to set up, and you like, nah, that sounds like that's too in-depth for me. So then you go over and you see another product that says, okay, 20 minutes setup time. Then that puts you a little bit more at ease. Like, maybe this is something more I can handle as a beginner. Doesn't sound like it's something that's too involved. All right, so let's move on from there. So it says the simplest income you'll ever make, period. Very strong statement right there. Not something that I can actually believe right off top without actually seeing what the product or service is. But I will say that as of right now, I'm getting a little tongue-tied here because that statement right there is so strong. But as of right now, I see a lot of times people online are using very, very strong, enticing language on their landing page or their ad copy or whatever platform that they're trying to actually recruit or build their business on. And some of the terms, they will get beginners. They will get people that's new to affiliate marketing. Right off top, it'll grab you so tight that makes it basically sound like an irresistible deal, an irresistible opportunity. And this is how these companies get a lot of leads into their business and their opportunities and their product. It works in a lot of cases, and in the other cases it can lead to you over promising and having a high bar to set. So over-promising and unwillingly under-delivering. So when you're making statements that are clearly bold and saying that you're the greatest ever, basically, you gotta be willing to stand behind that, and you have to actually be able to prove that. And a lot of times when it comes to affiliate marketing, products and services do not deliver on the promises that they present to you. They make you believe that they're the greatest in the world, that instantly you're going to get results, and that's not the case. So I want you guys to make sure that you go into the business with open mind. Don't be too skeptical to the point where you're just like, oh, this is BS. I'm not even going to give them an opportunity or look any deeper to find out about it. But just understand that, a lot of things is just hype. A lot of things is hype. So moving forward, it says this unique automation system provides 100% automated income and 100% automated traffic. So traffic is something that we all need when it comes to building our business, getting people to funnel into our system and converting them into customers. So traffic is a major part. So 100% automated traffic, that right there sounds like a no-brainer. I want that myself for my business. So most affiliate marketers want that. So that's a key term right there. It says there is nothing else quite like it for effortless earning. It's plug and play simple. All the work has already been done. All right, statements like that make me believe that really there's nothing that I need to do, that I could basically go to sleep, and while I'm sleeping, this right here should be making me money. That's the mind state or the mindset that these type of ad copies will put the average person in, and it'll put you in such a state of, comfort that you just like, okay, I can't wait. Like, I don't even want to read the rest. I just want to press the button. Just give me the system and let's go. Let me just press my one button and make my $1 million. Let's move on. So this right here is what it includes. So you get 2 fully functioning free automated websites, 2 automated streams of recurring income, simple copy and paste setup instructions. You get to duplicate the entire system using just 2 share codes. Not sure what share codes are, but I'm pretty sure they're going to explain what that is. Also promotes automatically, so you earn automatically too. What could possibly be easier? And that's what I'm asking myself. Even though this is a short lead magnet page right here, a lead capture page, and that's it. This is as far as it goes. It's powerful. It says a lot in this little section here. Just to cap it off, it says it's brilliantly easy. Go ahead, try it. Click here to start earning now. All right, so the website will open in a new tab. Then please note, your duplicate Maximus site will be promoting itself automatically 24/7. Right, automatically, automated, automation. It sounds like a win-win-win to me. Sounds like something that I can't lose on. So I'm going to press the button, take us to the next page. But before I press this button, I want to share with you something that's very important, and I know it'll actually help you in your affiliate marketing business and to help you make more money from home. So check it out. Are you serious about affiliate marketing and want a training system that's built for longevity? If that person is you, I want you to click the link that's going to be in the description, and you can actually see it at the top here. rvadelivered.com/pick-your-course. At the top, it's speaking directly to you. If you're a hustler looking for a secret success system using affiliate marketing, and if you're serious about affiliate marketing and making money from home, this is a training system that's built for you and is built for longevity. All right, you guys, so hopefully you enjoyed that information. The information that I was able to share in that video right there, because it's been helping a lot of people, and seeing as though it helps a lot of other people and it's been helping me out also, I want to make sure that I share it with you so that it can help you out also. So now, just to wrap up this video, we're going to finally click the button. It's going to take us to the next page, and I assume, just like in the previous video, that seeing as though this is the lead page, right, and it just has this one button saying click here to start earning now, I assume that it's going to give us a pop-up asking for a name and an email. So just in case, if we don't go through with whatever the offer is on the other page, that they'll have a way of contacting us again and following up to make sure that we complete the process. So let's see what it does. All right, so the next page loads. Right off top, it gives us a congratulations. It says welcome to the Maximus overview and setup page. All right, so this is the overview and setup page. And to my surprise, it did not ask for a name and an email address like I assumed it would. But maybe it's hidden somewhere on this page as we go further down. Now, just for time's sake, I'm going to cut this video short because from the looks of it, this is a long sales page, and what we really just wanted to do was see what it looks like on the other side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll through this page so you guys can get an idea of what the sales copy looks like and how much detail and information that the person has actually put into this product. And by the end of this page, we should know how much the product and service actually costs. I don't believe it's a free product, but we will actually see how much it costs by the time we get to the bottom, I assume. So let's scroll. All right, you guys, so we have scrolled to the bottom of this page, and just like I thought, this was going to be a long sales page. So the one thing I want to scroll up to is to actually see where it asks for the purchase. And when I was scrolling through, I didn't see it. And another thing that I didn't see was, of course, we didn't get a lead pop-up page that asks for our name and our email address. But what we actually got right here is it looks like they gave us the system. So as you can see, step 1, step 2, step 3 is giving us the entire system, the entire steps right here. So if you guys are actually interested in this particular opportunity or product or service and you want to look into it further yourself, what I'll do is I will copy this link into the comment section so that you can actually check it out. I am not an affiliate for this product or service, so I don't know what to actually expect, what it actually offers, but I may take the time myself to do a deeper dive into this to see what they actually provide, and it may be a product or service that we can actually use and that could be a benefit on our affiliate marketing journey. So with that, hopefully this video has been helpful to you guys, and once again, this is your boy, better yet your man, Markel Prines, MrRVADelivered.com, the entrepreneur that all the gurus will soon learn to hate. No suit, no tie, no college degree, but we still make money from home, and so can you. Have a great rest of your day.